Moving one of our offices to Keilaniemi has everything to do with sustainability. It helps us become more environmentally friendly, which is better for our customers, our employees, and better for society.
At Helvar, sustainability is at our core. By switching to LED lighting and an intelligent lighting control system, like our Imagine solution that was installed in the entire If Keilaniemi office, we can save up to 85% of energy while providing superior visual comfort. The sensors in our lighting control system enable those favorable conditions while sharing spatial information. This makes lighting intelligent.
Intelligent it is indeed, brilliant in more ways than one. Having the lighting just right helps us save energy for the environment and gain energy for ourselves. For example, areas that are not in use will have automatically lights switched off. Also, lighting is adjusted based on the amount of light coming in, for example during daylight, so there is no need for extra LED lighting.
In June 2022, the If Keilaniemi office has achieved the WELL Platinum certificate.
The WELL Building Standards certificate, which affects the way that we work here in Keilaniemi. We fulfill those requirements to the letter.
At Helvar, we are proud of having contributed to If's WELL Platinum certificate. The lighting conditions available at each space of the building, as well as the interaction with other building services, increases the well-being of people in the building, and in return increases the work satisfaction and productivity of If's employees. The cornerstone to the achievement of the Platinum certificate was set already at the very beginning of the project, at the planning phase of this renovation project, where the commitment to the WELL building standard by the occupant, the If Insurance, was cemented into the plans. From there on, companies familiar with the standard like Helvar were all joining roundtable discussions on the conceptual planning and eventual implementation choices. True collaboration for sustainability and the well-being of all users of the If Keilaniemi building.